Hey everyone, it's Scott from dvc-rental.com and buyandselldvc.com. Today we are at Animal Kingdom Jambo House. This is a one-bedroom value. It is 629 square feet. This is one of only two one-bedrooms on property that only sleeps four. This does as in the Copper Creek one-bedroom as well. But you do have a nice granite countertop, a little bar in the middle, I forget what it's called. You got full kitchen. You got your microwave, stove top, dishwasher. I'm forget what this is called right now. I'll remember in a minute. A nice sitting area in here. Big double closet. I bring out a bunch of stuff stored in the closet. I love the decor at Animal Kingdom, African art and we'll call them carved woods, all the animals carved in there. Nice little touch. Welcome home, Ferrioli family. We will go outside because this value view, and value view just means that it's 3 feet shorter than the regular rooms, is a Savanna view as well. Not a lot happening on the Savanna right now, but you can see the ostrich down there. And there's something walking in the distance. Can I see what you are? So I think it might just be Ankoli cattle. But this is a nice Savanna view as well, and this balcony is gigantic. It's probably 30 feet down. And that is the master bedroom right there. So when you go to the master bedroom, you've got access to the balcony as well. And that's called an island. Kitchen island. This is a pull-out bed. Let's go into the master area. It's a nice washer and dryer, which is very convenient when on vacation and you're sweating in Florida because it is hot out right now. In here, you have a king-size bed. Again, cool little decor. Here's the balcony that we were just outside of. Got some extra storage in this closet as well, with a safe, extra pillow and blanket, thing to put your luggage on if you want. A nice TV in here, probably looks like 55-inch television as well. Nice sitting, writing area, good place to do work if needed. I'm always doing work, so it's always nice to have a nice place to sit and relax and do work. Now let's head into the master bathroom. I say master, but I mean there's only one bathroom in this room, so it does have access from the outside and then access from the bedroom right here through this little hallway. Again, granite countertops. Interesting that the one bedroom value only has one sink in here because the studios at Animal Kingdom have dual countertops. But you do have a nice big shower. Now, handicapped accessible, probably not. This is relatively high right now. But you've got nice jacuzzi style tub here, plus the shower head. Cool African Lion King themed mural on the wall. Oh, all your H2O products. And then special bathroom in this private room here. This has a locked door. So all in all, really nice room. Value View means that's one of the least expensive rooms on property. The Value View studios are the absolute least expensive studios. I believe the one bedroom Value Views at Animal Kingdom are the least expensive one bedroom on property as well. So really nice access to have a large room and not break the bank. So if you're thinking of becoming a Disney Vacation Club member, please check out our resale company, buyandselldvc.com. Or if you're thinking of just visiting Disney property, check out our rental company, dvc-rental.com. dvc-rental.com. Put in the dash to save the cash. We're typically about half of what Disney charges for the same exact rooms. Hope you enjoyed our room tour, and we'll see you at the parks.